How to fix this account might include sensitive content on X. Have you ever tried to view a post on X, formerly Twitter, and been hit with that annoying, "This account may include sensitive content" warning, and you can't see it no matter what you do in the app? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix that, so you can adjust your settings and actually view the content. Let's get started. First things first, you can't change this setting directly inside the X app. That's right. If you're tapping around inside the app right now looking for it, you won't find it. Instead, you need to use a web browser. I'll be using Brave in this tutorial, but you can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you like. Open your browser and log into your X account. Don't switch to the app, stay in the browser the whole time. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture at the top, scroll all the way down, and select Settings and Privacy. In the menu, go to Privacy and Safety. Next, tap on Content you see. Here's the key setting. Look for display media that may contain sensitive content and toggle it on. Once you've enabled this, you'll be able to view sensitive content not just in your browser, but also in the X app. No more missing out on posts because of the default restrictions.